Hi guys, how do we know which product is best for affiliate marketing? And how do we know how to choose products to promote? This is key for any affiliate marketer, and that's what we are going to see in this video. And make sure you stay around till the end because I'm going to show you a huge tip, the golden rule for promoting any products. I'm Alan Lois, growing together with you to live our dreams. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the button below or around here, and click the notifications bell so you don't miss anything about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, make money online. So right now I'm going to show you 5 golden rules to choose the best products to promote. So number 1, choose recurring commissions, much better than one-time commissions. And if you can choose a 2-tier program or multiple tier program, much better, because it's like you here and then you can have affiliates under you which can sell the product, and if they sell the product they receive a commission and you also receive a commission. So why is this much better? Because when you get a sale with one-time payment, it's only for that month. Even if it's high ticket product, you can make some money, good money this month, but next month you start from zero again. And if you don't make a sale next month, you don't get any money. But instead, with recurring commissions, you get money in this month and in the next month and in the next month, even if you don't sell anything the next month. And even more, they get accumulated. I mean, for example, if you sell 3 products this month and then next month you sell 2 more, then you get 5 products for the next month that you are getting commissions from. So in the 3rd month, even if you don't sell anything that month, you are getting commissions from 5 products, and it gets accumulated. It can go growing. So that's the best way to get passive commissions, recurring income, and get financial freedom. So right now we were talking about only 1-tier program, but if you add the condition of 2-tier program or more tiers, then you even get commissions from your direct sales and your affiliates under you when they get sales. So they get their own commission and you get a commission, a 2nd-tier commission. So you can build a team and you can build a business. So it's a passive income and recurring commissions growing each month. So I'm going to show you an example with a platform called Builderall, which has a 2-tier program, and I'm also an affiliate of Builderall. And Builderall is a platform with all the tools that you can need for your online business. It includes website builder, funnel builder, email marketing, e-learning, so courses online, webinars, a lot of things, and everything included in this premium plan. And the premium plan, just for you to get an idea, gives you a commission of 18 euros in euros. It can give you in dollars if you are in another country, I mean Europe. So the thing is, the premium plan right now so far has a price of $69 per month, or 59 plus taxes euros per month. Okay, so around 70 euros per month. Next month is going to be higher because it's the new version, and the price will be 99 euros or dollars per month. Okay, but so far with 69 or 59 in euros, it's 18 euros per month per sale. Okay, so that's the commission. So if we make 10 sales and we get in a whole year, and we get 10 people, 10 affiliates under me, under you, and they make 10 sales under you, they get their commission, and you also get your commission, 2nd-tier commission, as we were saying before. And look at this. Next year, you will be getting 2,000 euros per month, just like that, even if you don't sell anything else anymore. So even if they don't sell either, with no more sales, on the 13th month, you would be getting 2,000 euros because of the accumulated customers and affiliates. And that's what I call this organization, this team that is growing. Okay, and you can even make it grow more and more. So this is real passive income, and this is truly a business. It's not only you selling something each month starting from zero. It's your team and yourself growing, and they can have their own team and everybody's growing. It's a win-win. And how much would it grow if we make 15 instead of 10, and they make also 15, and we only have 10 affiliates? It's 3,000 per month just by making 5 more sales in a whole year, each one of your affiliates and yourself. So compare it with a one-time product, a one-time payment product, one-time commission. It's incredible. The difference is awesome. It's amazing. So that's why our first rule is always try to look for recurring commissions, and always try to look for products with 2 tiers or more for commissions. And by the way, just in case you want to have a look at Builderall and maybe even join my team, our team, I'm going to leave a link in the comments in the pinned post, and you can check it out. And if you join my team, our team, you're going to get awesome bonuses, like, for example, done for you funnels and all the training that you may need, created by a 6-figure affiliate, which is in our team. So go and check it out in the pin post, in the comments. So golden rule number 2, we want high lifetime value. If we want recurring commissions, we need a high lifetime value also, because we need to get recurring commissions for a long time. We don't want it to be only 1 month or 2 months. We want it for a long time. So high lifetime value. And an example of that is software and hosting. And for example, Builderall is a hosting platform for websites and funnels for people. So it's also a high lifetime value program. Golden rule number 3, we need a program which is eternal and consistent. We don't want a program or product which goes away next month or disappears next year. We want it to be here for 5 more years or 10 more years, so we can still get commissions from the sales that we already got, and we can still make more sales. So like an example again, software and hosting like Builderall, it's going to be eternal because it's part of internet. As long as internet is alive, and it will be for a long time, there will be hosting, and people will need websites and several tools for online businesses. So that's an example of eternal and consistent for a very long time. Now, golden rule number 4, make sure the product is really good. Use it and ask yourself, would you recommend it to your own family, your own mother, or your friends? And if it's really good, you're in the right path. It must help people in any way, like for example, in an educational way, so they may learn something, or it solves a problem, so it helps people with their problems and it's a solution for their problems. Or maybe it's something that it's helping them get something cheaper, faster, more efficient. So it can be in several ways, but it really needs to help people out. So golden rule number 5, it needs to have a high conversion rate. So check the conversion rate when they share this info, and if they're not sharing it, go to the sales page, check the videos, check everything that you can about the sales process, and think about the question, will it convert? Do you think it will convert? Do you think that it's a product that is helping people out and getting sales? So whenever you find a product that follows these 5 golden rules, you have a great product, and don't miss the opportunity. And now it's time for our huge bonus, our huge secret on how to promote these products, because, okay, we chose a product with the golden rules and it's a good product, but now how do we promote it? Okay, the key is don't put your link everywhere. Don't spam your links. Don't take people directly to the offer just like cold traffic. The right way, the key is to give value first. So first, we can give a free lead magnet, a freebie with very good value, and then we give value also through email marketing, and then we can include recommendations in the lead magnet and in the email marketing. But it has to be in a good way. It has to blend contextually. It has to be something related to the value that we are giving, so people can read and learn something, for example, and buy the product that helps them to achieve something, or to solve their problems, or to make it faster or easier or more effective or whatever. So that's our huge bonus, and that makes all the difference. So you can give tutorials, how-tos, checklists, product comparisons, a lot of different ways to give value in lead magnets or email marketing. And that way you are much more likely to get sales. And by the way, if you really want to grow your email list fast, I'm going to leave in the comments in the pinned post a link to a lead magnet that you can download, which is the 7 hacks to really grow or explode your email list fast. So check it out, because it's also an example of these lead magnets giving value. So I hope you find it useful and valuable. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe here or around the video, and click the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want me to make a video about a specific topic, anything related to digital marketing, affiliate marketing, make money online, you can tell me in the comments, and I will try to make a video for you. I'm Alan Lois, growing together with you to live our dreams, and see you in the next video.